Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that's consistently held its ground as one of the top-selling vehicles in its class. And this year, Toyota's taken a big step forward with subtle but significant updates that could make this their most refined RAV4 yet. So, what's new in the 2026 model? At first glance, the changes might not scream for attention, but Toyota's clearly focused on evolution over revolution. The exterior has been refreshed with a sharper front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and a more sculpted grille that gives the RAV4 a slightly bolder presence. New wheel designs and updated color options like the eye-catching magnetic gray with a two-tone roof add a more premium feel without trying too hard. Under the hood, the RAV4 lineup remains centered on efficiency and versatility. The base models still use the reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 203 horsepower, but the real story here is the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The RAV4 hybrid gets a slight bump in fuel economy and smoother power delivery thanks to software tweaks and lighter components. The prime plug-in hybrid, which already turned heads with its impressive performance and electric-only range, now offers even quicker acceleration and a longer rev range, rumored to be close to 50 miles. That's Prius-level efficiency with way more style and practicality. Inside, Toyota's made some smart upgrades. The new 2026 RAV4 comes standard with the larger 10.5-inch touchscreen and an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The infotainment system now runs Toyota's latest software, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, faster response times, and improved voice recognition. Material quality across the cabin has also stepped up, especially in the XLE Premium and Limited trims, with more soft-touch surfaces and refined stitching that make it feel a notch above its price point. Safety, as always, is front and center with Toyota. The RAV4 comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and more. It's one of the most comprehensive standard safety suites in the segment, which definitely adds peace of mind whether you're commuting or road tripping. Driving-wise, the RAV4 still leans toward comfort and practicality. It's not a performance SUV, but it holds the road well, and the hybrid models offer a surprisingly responsive drive. The ride is smooth, the cabin stays quiet, and the fuel economy keeps your wallet happy. Overall, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 isn't a radical departure, but it doesn't need to be. It builds on what already works and fine-tunes the experience for modern drivers. Whether you're a first-time SUV buyer or just looking to upgrade, the new RAV4 should absolutely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car content, and let us know in the comments what car you want us to cover next. See you in the next one.